How to track WorldRemit cache pickup in WorldRemit. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can track your WorldRemit cache pickup. Now, after your money has been sent, you may want to know where it's about or needs transfer journey. Or now here you'll be able to see on WorldRemit, they notify you about your transfer progress and your cache progress as well. Now to do so, simply you want to head into worldremit.com or your WorldRemit application. You want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now there, if you have any transaction in progress or transfers in progress, you'll see the notification transfer in progress at the top of your page or at the activity if you are on application. So you want to simply select the transfer that's ongoing, you want to tap on it and you want to view its status, and you'll be able to track it and view it. Unfortunately, I don't have any ongoing transfers, or at website you can simply tap on profile icon at the top right corner and you can tap on my transactions, and if you have any transactions ongoing, it'll find it right here. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't have any, so it's not showing up. So this way you can easily track your cache on WorldRemit. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.